The first thing you should know is that ReCrawl AI is able to make these three AI engines to crawl or index your website and content: ChatGPT, Gemini Crawler, and Cloud Web Crawler. You can deselect any AI engines, but most of the time you just select all of them. After that, you simply input your website or content URL in here and click the send button. Wait a few seconds as the software is now working, and when the job is created, you will see this message. Okay, as the message says, now go to the campaign reports and click the fetch button. It will display all your campaigns, the completed campaigns, and campaigns that are still in progress, like this one that I just submitted before. Most of the time, every campaign you created will be completed within 15 to 30 minutes. So this campaign has just been created, and after 15 to 30 minutes, it will be completed. When the campaign is completed, like this one for example, you will be able to see the crawl report of each AI engine. Like this one, ChatGPT has successfully crawled the URL at this exact time, and it also returns several topics that it might rank the website for, aka the citation keywords. For Gemini crawl results, you also get to see when was Gemini crawl the website, the topics that Gemini might rank or cite the website for, and special with Gemini crawlers, it also displays websites that might be your competitors for these citation keywords. And after that is the report for anthropic crawlers. You will get a report of when was the crawler successfully crawled your website and the citation insights as well. So tell me, what do you think about this ReCrawl AI software? Do you think it's unfriendly or complicated to use? But feel free to come and join ReCrawl AI. The software might only has two jobs: to notify AI engines that your website and content exist, and to make AI engines crawl your website faster. But those two jobs are crucial for your businesses to get more AI citations, rank in AI searches, and finally make headway. I hope you enjoyed this video, and go sneak in today to use ReCrawl AI as many times as you can.